Hello, I'm Jason Butler, Head of Financial Education at Salary Finance, the employee financial wellbeing people. We know these are tough times financially, but having a savings buffer can really help to reduce money-related stress and worry. So in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to share with you 12 ideas that might help you boost your cash savings during lockdown. And you'll find links to all the relevant websites mentioned in the box below this video. Right, the first thing is to cut your spending. Create a summary of your monthly spending to identify savings. You might find our one-page spending summary form helpful in completing this exercise. Now, once you know all your expenses, look for savings in the non-essentials and the nice-to-haves. If in doubt, cut it out. Plan for the worst and hope for the best. 2. You can get between £62 to £288 if you're required by your employer to work from home. You can claim £6 a day or £288 per annum as a tax-free allowance from your employer. If they're unwilling or unable to pay that, you can claim tax relief at your highest rate on that amount. So that's worth between £62 to £124 a year. 3. You can get between £1,250 and nearly £1,200 tax rebate if you're married or in a civil partnership, if one of you is a non-taxpayer and the other is a basic rate taxpayer. And you do this by transferring £1,250 of the non-taxpayer's personal tax allowance this tax year to the other person. And you might be able to do so for the previous 4 tax years as well. So do this via your tax return or via the HMRC website. 4. Apply for universal credit if your savings, excluding those that have been set aside for paying tax, are less than £16,000. Changes to the rules and your personal circumstances might mean that you're now entitled to financial assistance from the government. Please check with the HMRC website for the specific guidelines to see if you're eligible. 5. Open a Help to Save account to get a 50% boost to your savings. If you qualify for universal credit or some of the old style benefits, then you can open a Help to Save account and save up to £50 per month for up to 4 years and qualify for a free 50% bonus based on what you've saved over that period. See if your employer offers this through Salary Finance. Otherwise, you can apply directly at the website below. 6. If your holiday or flight is cancelled, request a cash refund, not vouchers. You're entitled to a full cash refund if your airline or package holiday operator cancels your holiday due to COVID-19, but you might have to wait a while. More information at the website below. 7. Sell off your unused old tech. Unused smartphones, tablets and laptops can be turned into cash, and you can do this via courier collection. Check out the 2 companies below to see what they'll pay you. 8. Move existing expensive debt to a lower cost alternative. Check out if you can get a better deal and more affordable repayments so you can free up cash to save more for your buffer. 9. Request a mortgage, car or loan 3-month loan repayment holiday. If you're struggling financially, your lender can give you a payment holiday, but do bear in mind it will cost you more in the long run. 10. Speak to your landlord if you're renting about either a rent reduction or a rent holiday. But bear in mind you'll still have to pay this back at some stage and there may be interest. 11. Find out what financial help your local council is offering. From council tax reductions, help with rent and financial hardship payments. If you have savings below £16,000, you might well qualify for help. And finally 12. Get a refund on motor and health insurance premiums. Some insurers are offering a partial refund of premiums to reflect reduced claims during lockdown. And if you haven't heard from them, ask them what they're prepared to offer. So there you have it. 12 ideas to help you boost your savings during lockdown. At Salary Finance, we've got your back, and together we'll get through these tough times. See you again soon.